Alright, ready?
Yeah.
Take a turn.
You go first, man. I'm ready.
Well, that's not like the commercial at all. Try it on the blue side. That's getting more water now.
Okay.
Not that blue slide, Brendan.
Brendan, the other way.
The other way.
It is.
Again, not like the commercial.
Can you do it, Daddy? Can you do it? Come on, Daddy. Daddy, do it. He doesn't have his bathing
That's how you do it.
See, it works. Oh, Sparky.
Watch out. Was that better?
Sure. I believe this might be a one-use toy.
Oh no, Sparky. Just ran on the back of the soccer goal.
Okay.
Careful. It was good while it lasted.
Marky, watch out.
Good boy, Spark.
Marky, get out. Come on, Brendan, go. Watch out, Brendan.
That got some distance.
That was fun.
Spark, no. Brendan, don't run back across it, buddy. And keep your head up because the dog is going to run into you.
What about that?
Lovely. 6.0. There's still room for improvement.
Okay. Watch out, Brennan. Sparky.
Good boy, Spark. Hey. Sparky, what are you doing?
Easy. Sparky. Come. Sparky.
Oh,
Yay!
that's going to your head. Careful, Brandy. Did it again. Keep your momentum going. Run as fast as you can and dive onto it.
Brennan, watch out.
I didn't have the camera going for Brennan's first run where he ran down there through the pool and
There you go, Bridget.
then fell in the pool at the end.
What about that?
That got some distance.
That was fun. Mommy, I got my birdie on the footprint. I see Sparky's pulsing.
You get special, bonus footage of Sparky.
Okay.
And Sparky goes wild.
And Daddy gets around good. I want to do it.
Now it's all grassy thanks to Sparky.
Go for it, Brendy.
Daddy, watch out.
Doing this after cutting the grass wasn't the best idea.
Without the mulcher working.
And the dog running.
Sparky, come.
Alright, that's enough.
Okay, then
That's
go.
enough for me.
Hey, Daddy, can you let the dog inside?
No, I'm not letting him inside. He's all wet and grassy.
I'm all wet.
Dive for it, Bridget, dive.
I did.
Like you're sliding into second base, head first.
Okay, I'll dive for real this time. Okay. I want to do that.
Buddy. There you go, Bridget. Almost.